Hello, welcome once again to Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. We have a problem on the board. Now let us zoom. Bang. Alright, now we have to simplify 2 minus 18m raised to the power of 2 all over 1 plus 3m. Alright, now let us factorize the numerator because it looks like it can be factorized. Okay, 2 times 9 is 18, so meaning 2 is common. 2 is common. 2 into 1 minus 9m square all over 1 plus 3m. All right, we know that 9 is 3 times 3, that is 9. 3 times 3 gives us 9, that is 3 raised to the power of 2. It simply means that we can have it as 2 into 1 minus 3 raised to the power of 2 m raised to the power of 2 bracket close all over 1 plus 3m. All right, what do we do next? All right, let us okay, one of the law of indices is that when the powers are the same, as in this case, and they are multiplying each other, we can simply take one of the powers. Yes, so we are going to have it as 2 into 1 minus 3m square minus 3m square. All right, all over 1 plus 3m. Beautiful. All right, please let us not confuse with this, so let me do it like this. All right, let us demarcate so that we continue our solving. We know that this is difference of 2 square. This is difference of 2 square. So we'll have it as 2 into 1 minus 3m into 1 plus 3m bracket close all over 1 plus 3m. Beautiful, we are getting there. All right, 1 plus 3m will cancel 1 plus 3m. We will be left with 2 into 1 minus 3m as our final answer. Lululululula. Thank you for watching. Do well to follow the page. Bye bye.